The strange signal from space was not a beacon, it was a clock. Astronomers had a repeating radio pulse with a problem. It kept coming back about every 84 minutes, far too slowly for an ordinary pulsar story. Then the source came into focus. ASKAP J1745-5051 is not one star acting alone. It is a close binary, a dense white dwarf and a smaller red dwarf locked in an orbit just over an hour. Here is the engine. The white dwarf pulls material from its partner. That stolen gas heats up and glows in X-rays. At the same time, magnetic fields twist the system into regular radio bursts. The system is so tight that it is not just two distant dots. It is a shared machine. One star feeds, the other strips, and the orbit sets the beat that keeps bringing the signal back. The key clue is timing. The radio and X-ray peaks do not arrive together. That means the two signals are probably coming from different regions of the same compact machine. This matters because long-period radio transients are still rare. Only about a dozen are known in the Milky Way, and many have looked like mystery flashes with no obvious engine. That is why this source is being treated like a reference object. It gives researchers a way to compare the next slow radio pulse against something physical, not just a curve on a chart. This one gives astronomers a working model, not a message, not a magic lighthouse. A binary star system turning gravity, stolen gas, and magnetism into a signal we can measure. So the headline is not that space whispered at us. The headline is that one weird pulse now has a body, a partner, and a clock. And if ASKAP J1745-5051 explains one of these signals, the next mystery pulse may not stay mysterious for long.